The Little Raindrop. Dew was a little raindrop. One day, dew fell from a big cloud. It floated down to the world below. On the ground, children played, but when dew came, they ran inside. Dew felt a little sad. People opened their colorful umbrellas. Dew felt lonely, bouncing off them. "No one wants me," it thought. Then, dew landed on a bright red flower. The flower slowly opened its petals. It seemed to smile. Dew rolled off the flower onto the green grass. The grass blades stood up tall. They looked fresh and happy. A small bird landed nearby. It drank from a tiny puddle dew helped create. The bird chirped a happy song. Soon, many raindrops joined dew. Together, they flowed into a small stream. The stream grew into a wide river. Dew saw fish swimming and trees drinking. It realized it brought life and joy. Dew was not sad anymore. Dew felt proud to be a raindrop. It knew its job was important. Everyone is useful in their own way.